Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. On this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can generate performance report for your Meta ads campaigns. If you have been living under rock, most likely the software I'm going to be using or the platform, the AI platform I'm going to be sharing with you is called Manus. It's extraordinary. Way better than ChatGPT, and one of the main reasons, and I keep telling this to people, is that it's great because its analysis, its research is deep, and it's not only deep because of the way Manus is built, it's because it's incentivized to give you the best reporting, the best research possible, because you're paying them per credit. So it's credit-based LLM. It's not like ChatGPT that's trying to keep you in the chat, doing absolutely nothing, then just spitting things as fast as possible, making you the great hero in the picture. That ChatGPT, same thing with Claude, always has your back. It tries to sugarcoat everything. And whether you made something wrong or not, it's always gonna try to keep you engaged, going back at it and keeping yourself on the platform. So that's my rant onto why I'm not using that much Claude and also ChatGPT for those specific things. But now let's get into the meat of the program. I'm gonna show you exactly what I meant by that. This is something that is new. It's been a couple months out there, and what you had to do previously is to go on the Meta ad platform and do reporting yourself or connect your ad accounts to something like Looker Studio and with Supermetrics or any other type of reporting software like Databox or whatever. In this case, what's better than having a thorough LLM AI that has not only access to what you provided, but also can research deeply the web to give you very insightful knowledge to apply to your campaigns, and also you can test it. All right, so what you have to do is, of course, get on Manus. Right now, this version is the desktop version. I'm on the Mac here. You can download it, and right now we are March 26, 2026. And they're running a specific promo. When you're using the desktop version, you're getting basically 50% off your credits. So every credit that you use is 50%. It takes 50% less of your credit, basically, on the task that you request from Manus. All right, so how do you do this? Basically, it's very easy. And I decided to switch because of the reason I just stated before. But the main thing is that you can connect, now that Manus has been acquired by Meta, you can connect your Meta ads account directly in the platform. So as you see here, I have some projects that are by client, and one of them is Gradient. Gradient is an academy, it's a barber shop, it's a barber school, and I run ads for them. And what it's going to require you to do is to click on this plus button, right? Connect your app. And you're gonna click on Meta Ads Manager, which is in beta right now. So you click on this, you're gonna connect it. It's gonna prompt you to connect it. And it's gonna ask you after connection to select the ad account or the ad accounts. In this case, select one ad account, as you see here, Gradient World, and I let it cook. Give me the insight for the last 30 days is specifically what I asked. Review the Meta ads performance for the last 30 days. I already went through, and because all the time on the ads manager, and I take care of my clients' success through paid advertising as well as high ticket funnels and the backend and all that good stuff. So I know what the results should be. So I was pretty aware of what it was going to tell me. I was testing it to see if it was accurate or not. So you connect the ad manager, then the ad account, then you let it analyze everything and you let it cook. So by the way, I was trying to do this video and I did it yesterday, but it was taking more time than I thought. So it analyzed all the campaigns. We have an ebook, sales or purchase campaign. The other one is top of the funnel. and the other one is a true play campaign for their academy. So analyze through all the campaigns, all the ad set, all the ads, and it gives you at the end something super important, which is of course a resume, a summary of what's going on, what to take in terms of immediate actions, and of course gives you a PDF as the reporting with the specific metrics, which is insane if you ask me. Analyze everything it told me, it's 100% accurate. Am I going to immediately act on these items here? Most likely. For example, it's telling me that this campaign is really sucks in terms of post-click funnel. It's not the ads, it's not the targeting, it's what happens after. So pretty cool insight to have, right? So the same thing with these true plays here, the budget bleed on saturated micro audiences, great thing to have, right? So I'm running basically top of the funnel gains with a bunch of content, and those content are distributed to a certain audience. So in this case, it's telling you that, hey, you're saturating this micro audience, which I kind of don't agree with it because it's a very broad audience. We're in the millions. So I'll leave it at that. I'll go and dig deeper in terms of does it matter or not, because I need to check the frequency. I need to check the cost per true play in this case. I need to see if it's really worth it to stop them, because we are retargeting eventually people to join the academy. So increase the daily budget spend. This, I agree with it. We're running directly to purchase here. It's a premium ebook, not just a little cheap ebook. So that I did. I was already planning to do that, but I wanted to see what the hell is this Manus going to tell me. The other thing is the reactivation campaign here, remarketing campaign. Personally, I don't know why it's telling me this, because there's no remarketing campaign in this case. It might fetch another ad account, because this one is a US ad account with in USD. The other one was a Canadian. So maybe it went there and grabbed that thing because I have no retargeting campaign. So you need to check it, but it's pretty cool, right? You can also and always prompt it to modify a couple things. For example, you can have a chart displaying this and give it that to your client instead of paying 40, 50, 100. Some reporting software and apps cost up to, hey, $200, $300 per month. I'm not talking Hyros. Hyros is great. But specifically for these type of reports, I'm like, come on, this is fantastic. And you can create after a presentation with the summary, generate a web page, and visualize the performance data of a specific campaign, which is pretty cool. So I don't want to make this video longer than it is, but you have specifically everything you need here to support your case, whether you present this to your client or not. And another way that you could leverage this is to do audits for clients, either for free to get them in, or charge them $500, $1,000, and then eventually telling them, hey, you know what? This reporting usually costs $500 or $1,000, but if you want me to run your ads, I will waive that fee and you will be able to run the ads for you. So that could be a strategy. So you can do whatever you want with this, but I think that's very powerful now that Meta has acquired Manus, which is a very smart move. You might have heard and seen some notifications if you're running ads at all on the Meta platform. I've seen it right and left. So very powerful things to do. And I'm not telling you also the power of Manus just to create strategies, to create copy, to make sure that your strategies, that your copy and your ad scripts, for example, are aligned with a strategy. You need to utilize this in the best way possible. There's many features on Manus, but this is one that's brand new, you can leverage and saves you so much time. So if you're a business owner, you can do this. And if you're someone that's just running your ads, you can also leverage this to save yourself a lot of time. So on that, if you like this type of content, you can follow me as well. and I'll see you on the next video.